it's time to learn another set of phonemes, another set of sounds, or brothers as we call them, a set of letters that kind of go together. So I'm going to make a sound, and I want you to watch my mouth as I make the sound, and then I want you to make the sound also. And I want you to think about how your mouth feels when you're making that sound. So here goes. T. One more time. T. What part of your mouth was doing the working? Was it your lips this time, like the lip poppers, or was it a different part? I know when I make the sound T, I can feel my tongue moving, okay? And so if this is the roof of my mouth, and this is my tongue, I can feel my tongue kind of tapping the back of my teeth when I make that T, T sound. Try it. Could you feel it? Well, that's why we call this group of sounds, these two letters, we call them the tongue tappers, because the tongue's doing the work. The tongue is tapping the back of your teeth or the roof of your mouth, like I showed you. So let's take a look at some pictures and see if we can find the picture that matches the way that our mouth feels. Let's look at this one. I'll give you two to choose from. This one, here I see the lips and I see the tongue kind of sticking out of the mouth in front of the teeth, and I see a thin stream of air coming out. Now on this one, I see the teeth, I see the tongue in the mouth, and I see a puff of air coming out. So go ahead and make that T sound and see if you can feel what kind of air comes out of your mouth. T, T. To me, it felt like a fat puff of air, more like this picture. So just really quickly again, this tongue, might be hard to see, is tapping the top of the mouth, and when you make that T sound, a big puff of air comes out. So let's use this picture. I think this is the best picture for us. Now let's talk about what letter makes the T sound. Okay, and let's think, is that T, T? It's a quiet sound, right? Because I can't feel the vibrations in my throat when I make the T sound. So you probably know that the letter T makes that T sound. So let's match it up with our picture. Okay, so now we have to find its brother, right? Or its partner. Okay, and that's going to be our noisy letter of our pair. Let's take a look at some of these letters. Here, I have a K. What sound does the K make? K, K. Well, when I make that sound, I don't feel my tongue tapping the roof of my mouth, so that can't be right. Here I have a TH. Now I'm using my tongue, but it's not tapping. I'm almost sticking out my tongue when I make that, so that can't be right either. What about this one here? I have the K. K, K. Well, that's not right. Here's the D. Let's try that one. D, D, D. Well, my tongue is tapping the roof of my mouth. Let me check and see if I can feel that puff of air. D, D. I think so. And let me check to make sure that it's a noisy sound. D, D. Sure seems like it, right? So here is our set of tongue tappers, T and D.